name is Dr. FERDINAND. I'm the proprietor of FERRO EQUIP, and we customize vehicles and mobility devices for specially able people. This has been a passion for me. It started 40 years ago, and today it is my full-time job. This is a car that we have made wheelchair accessible. Looking at the car, you can see that we had to extend the roof to accommodate the wheelchair passenger. It is fitted with a underfloor ramp that can be pulled out from on the floor, and the wheelchair can be pushed in or out with the passenger. We have wheelchair restraints which are tied down for the wheelchair, which secures the wheelchair and makes it firm for travel. Our products vary from day-to-day mobility devices, from transfer plates to enable a person to transfer from the wheelchair into the car, to hand controls to help a specially able person to drive the vehicle with the help of his hands only. Then we've also made wheelchair accessible vehicles with lifts besides the ramps that are there. And there are various other modifications that we do. We do customization of wheelchairs, we make patient hoists, we make swimming pool hoists. We have the amphibian chair that you can take a disabled person into the sea or into the pool. Trekking wheelchair for those who love adventure sports to enable them to go trekking. With regard to all the hand controls and driving options, our devices are RTO approved and ARI certified. In short, we enhance the lives of people we touch through our work. We've also customized vehicles for renowned scientist Professor Stephen Hawking when he came to India in the year 2001. We customized the vehicle and gave him a wheelchair accessible vehicle for him to travel in our country, which is a great sense of achievement for us that we were able to fulfill the requirements of such a renowned person. Our work is engineering, but our passion is dynamic design.